Okay, welcome back to Sow Grow. My name is Luke. Today I am going to pick up those dead deer, like grapple, that some hunter just inconsiderately left by the parking lot of the public land across the road from us. Oh, you bastard! And then we're gonna get after some firewood. I gotta cut up some poles and split some rounds. Oh, here's the two dead deer. Oh, three dead deer. Gosh, I'm almost wondering if these were poached. Got a tiny little spike buck right there. Anyway, let's get these things out of here before they start stinking. Let's hope we can get back up this hill. I'm taking these 3 dead deer carcasses. I'm gonna get them the hell away from our house and the parking lot for this property. How rude are these people, honestly? These type of people that give hunters a bad name. So it opens up. This is still public land. This is just a leased field. And I have permission to drive out here because I work for this county. So take this deer as far away as possible. 3 deer. 3 deer! Who does that? Three deer carcasses. Spike buck. You're welcome, hunters, you fucking assholes. Okay, let's head back to the house and get started on firewood. Got rid of those deer. Still cannot believe the inconsiderate nature of some people. Just unbelievable. Just giving hunters a bad name. Let's do better, people. this thing is on. Well, that's about all the cutting and splitting I can tolerate today. It's not my favorite thing. I'd rather be in the tractor doing something, but sometimes you need some wood. So anyway, thanks for coming along with me today. If you like this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.